Welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. This is your girl Champagne coming to you back with another video. I know you guys, I've been missing in action. I've been so busy. I've been dealing with some family situations. I'm just now getting rejuvenated or back into the process of things. So anyway, I just want to let you guys know, just in case if you guys are wondering like, what's going on, what's she doing? I've been going through a little bit, but I'm here today. So in today's video, well, before I get started, if you're new to this channel, on this channel, I show you guys everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, skincare tips and advice, and all about being an esthetician. And on this channel, what I'm gearing towards more, I will be doing makeup videos, but I feel like I'm going to be transitioning to Instagram for more makeup tutorials. So I want you guys to go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you have not already, SBE Aesthetics. So yeah, I will do makeup looks. It just won't be as much as I will do for the ground. I'm just testing some things out to see how it goes, but we'll see. But like I said, I show you guys everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, skincare tips and advice, and all about being an esthetician. So today's makeup look is going to be a soft orange glow. Now I know in one of my previous videos I did a day in the life of an esthetician, I believe, one of those videos. I told you guys, like, even though if you wear a red or an orange, you can still make that look soft. Just because it's bright doesn't mean it has to be like bright, if that makes sense. Some people get scared of dark colors, you know, like purples, pinks, reds. Like you can soften those colors up. It's just how you do it and what color transitions you use. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be going in with this Brow Ultra Slim Pencil by Maybelline in the shade. What shade is this, you guys? Black brown. It's black brown. So I'm going to go in with this, and now mind you guys, I'm totally in a different setup as I would be. So I'm going to start doing makeup. I'm going to start doing makeup at the spa. So I might as well just get used to it. So as you guys can see, I waxed my brows and stuff. I already washed my face and put my skincare, did my skincare routine. We'll be talking about that too real soon. But anyway, let's get started. I'm just gonna do my brows, fill them in. I'm gonna fill my brows in. Make sure you guys follow me on Facebook and Instagram too, on sbeaesthetics.com. So as you can see, right now you already noticed a huge difference. Like I didn't take much at all. I've been waiting to do this look, and I know you guys like, dang, Champagne, you gonna do any more makeup looks? Yes, I am. I also did get some new foundation. I'll show you guys in a bit. I hope it's good. Foundation can be tricky. I do a lot of mixing because there's no like one true shade. I am with Fawn. Y'all know this is my shade. Not my shade, but like my color of choice to go in with. I'm gonna go in with Fawn. It's either Fawn or Chestnut. Chestnut, I like Chestnut too, but I'm just gonna go in Fawn for right now. I don't think I have a concealer brush. Well, yeah I do, right here. I'm tripping, ignore that. So I got it on my little palette right here, and I'm just gonna take that, okay? And then we're gonna clean up underneath the brow. So you're gonna lift. Y'all see her? Okay, so we got that. Then what I like to do, I always like to damp. It doesn't really matter what facial spray mist you use, but for the sake of today, I'm going to be using this one. This is by Mario Badescu. Yeah, it's probably all jacked up, but it is what it is, y'all. I'm not. Forgive my hands if they ashy. I've been washing my hands and sanitizing them, so I'm not finna keep moisturizing my hands when I gotta keep washing my hands. So just deal with it, y'all. I'll have the final touch of what I'm trying to do. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead and did my other brow. I'm not going to take the concealer on top. I'm just going to use a foundation for that, just to make it more natural looking. But I'm going to go in with my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand. Now, keep in mind, I only use this concealer when I'm applying eyeshadow. That's it. I don't use it underneath the eyes. I don't do none of that. Just only on top of my eyelids. And so I'm gonna go in. I got this little hand thing right here, palette, whatever. And I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add, oh, y'all don't know why I'm doing that. Y'all know I can't see. I'm gonna go in and add the color, the concealer on my eyelid. And this just is to help it pop, you know. And then I'm just gonna take my little blender and blend. What I like about this concealer is that it really dries down quickly, and that's a pro and a con. I wouldn't like this underneath the eye because it would dry down too fast and would probably leave the eye very cakey, and we don't want that. We got that. It felt like I ain't did makeup in so long. Oh my gosh. Like it's like I've been in makeup rehab or something. I want to point something out to you guys real quick. When I do this, when I usually put concealer and stuff on, I usually get like these little lines right here, like crease. So I really want to focus, you know, my concealer there, just so when I apply my eyeshadow, it has something to adhere to. Because, well, I'm telling you, when you got gaps and creases in there, it can be very, very difficult. So I'm gonna go into this new eyeshadow palette I got, you guys. I love it. This is the Warrior by Juvia's. Like, this is so pretty. I love the colors in here. Like, they're so dope. And I love the makeup. It's just the design is really, they took their time with it. It's nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the shade Kano, K-A-N-O, I think, Kano. And I'm gonna just get my brush dabbed up, as you see me do. And then I'm just going to start applying that right there in my crease area. And yes. Y'all see what it is? So remember, we're going for a soft orange. Makeup look. I really like this brown. It's super soft. I wouldn't really pick something like this for me. I would usually go a little darker because I'm darker complected, but I actually like it. It's very soft. So, and it really goes good too for the look I'm trying to go for. So this is what it is, y'all. Now we're gonna go in with the I hope this don't have a lot of fallout, but we're gonna go in with the orange. And we're just gonna come below. As you guys can see right here. We're gonna come below. Y'all see that? Now remember, this is a soft glam orange makeup look, right? Soft glam. Thank you. It's already soft looking too. I like it already. I might spice it up with like some glitter or whatever. And remember, guys, there's a lot of back and forth when you're doing your makeup. So we're gonna go in with this dark brown from that new eyeshadow palette I showed you guys earlier. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, like it's just so gorgeous. We're gonna go in with that, and we're really gonna like smoke this orange out, but we still keeping it soft, so we're not being like overly destructive, you know? Like we still keeping her looking very soft. Okay, guys, so I completed both eyes, and next I'm gonna be going in with my P. Louise base. And I'm dabbing it and I'm pulling it down lightly. So basically I'm pulling that eyeshadow color of the orange down into the base. Like I'm tapping out the base edges, but I'm also like pulling it down, if that makes sense. I need to go in with a little bit more. I'm trying to see if this is what I'm liking. We're gonna go in with that dark brown. We're just gonna bring it in just a little bit more. I'm just adding brown. It's still soft. It's still soft. Okay. There's a difference between a soft look and then a no makeup look. Which, yeah, I'll explain that. I do. This is what I had in my mind when I wanted to do this look. Cute. I know I'm saying at an angle where, but I'm gonna do this lighter shade from that shade, from that new eyeshadow palette that I showed you guys. I really love this shade. It's oh Lord, I don't even know how to pronounce that. I'm not even gonna act like I know how, because I don't. I'm not even gonna act like I know how. But yeah, y'all see it. It's so pretty. We ain't even done yet, but yeah, we're getting there. Any harshness of the eyeshadow that's left, and I'm just tapping it out. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I went on ahead and put my eyeliner on from Inglot, my black eyeliner in the shade 77. And so then I'm gonna go ahead and put some gold in the crease of my eye. So we're gonna put some gold over there in those corners. And then I'm actually gonna okay, we do whatever, you know, whatever. And so I really want to smoke out my under eye, so this is going to be different from it. So let me do my face and stuff. I'll be back, but this is the foundation I'm going to be using for my face. It's the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation, so I'm going to be using this. It's a foundation plus concealer, that's what it says. So we'll see. I'll be back. Oh, sorry you guys, I was supposed to show you guys how I did my bottom eyeshadow. So basically I just took the darker brown that I had on the outer corner and I put it underneath it now, underneath the lower lash corner. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like thus far. So we brighten it up, y'all. So I'm gonna put some black eyeliner on, finish the whole look, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is the soft orange glam look. I did go ahead and add some glitter in the corner of my eyes just to spice it up a little bit. I added some lipstick, some brownish and another color lipstick together, and I put some gloss on. I use this gloss right here. It's so pretty. I got it from Victoria's Secret. I use this a lot when I do bridal makeup. So yeah, guys, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like it. And now I gotta clean up all this mess because y'all know. So I'm gonna zoom in just so you guys can see. I did use some very light lashes, nothing heavy or anything of that nature. Just so you guys can see. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, you guys, if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I know it's been a while. This makeup tutorial would be something considered an everyday makeup look, so you can wear this look every day, like every day if you wanted to. So this is all I have for you guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel by hitting that big old like button, like this. It looks like this. I think it does, whatever, y'all know what I mean. Hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and I'll be back with another video for you guys on this channel. Ciao.